Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome back to Ankita's Creations. So if you are new to this channel, hi, I'm Ankita and I create videos related to art and craft, DIYs, paintings, vlogs and much more. You can browse my channel. I already have 200 videos up on this channel. So you can watch that and decide if you want to subscribe or not. So today's video is a landscape mandal painting video and I'm also going to be announcing the winner of YouTube channel Shoutout, and I'll be sharing all the details of that channel at the end of this video. And now let's get started with this video. this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Hit that like button if you do and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's reach to 50k as soon as possible. And today is my birthday, so subscribing to my channel is would be the lovely gift you can give to me. Please subscribe. And yeah, now let's move on to the winner of the shout out challenge. These are all the chits for the shout out giveaway of YouTube channel, and I'll ask Farin to pick up one, and that will be the winner. Faru ek chit utha do. Kholo. Passion at Heart is the winner. Yay! So the winner of YouTube Shoutout Challenge is Passion at Heart by Sarika. Congratulations Sarika, and here are all the details about her YouTube channel. So please go and subscribe to her, like her videos, and let's grow together. Thank you so much to everyone who has participated in this shout out, and I'm sorry I couldn't give shout out to everyone who has participated, but I am thinking to continue this for every month. Like for every month, each month in one of my videos I will be giving shout out to one of the YouTube channel related to art and craft, DIY, paintings and creativity. So yeah, let's grow together. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. Bye bye.